Alright guys, I took a few minutes. I'm gonna fix a piece of metal on the truck that we found that was pretty rusted. Wound up cutting it off. You can see that's what it looks like as of now. That's what it's supposed to look like when we're done. So we'll kind of go from there. Stay tuned. Okay. Remember we showed you this? Well, this is pretty close to the final project, if you remember what it looked like. What we did is we matched the other side. I've got to clean up some of the welds. And it's all ready to go back in. I like it, I like it, I like it. And we're the motor trying to make heads or tails of all of this clutter. This is a freaking nightmare. People, please don't do this. This is so dangerous. Once again, if you don't know what you're doing, please don't touch things. I mean, this is how this car came in. He was driving it. Bolts are off on the shock towers, which means the shocks are loose. Both sides, as you can see. I mean, it's just a nightmare. So we're going to clean it up, and hopefully it'll be running good. Motor is in good shape. We had it over by Mr. Scotty's. He took care of the motor, the heads, all that kind of stuff. Yep, I'm happy with it. Now we just finished putting it together and fire this puppy up. Remember guys, like and subscribe.